Assalamu alaikum. Welcome, my dear friends. Welcome to my channel. Today, I am going to tell you about the Calendron Scholarship Program that is in UK for the year of 2022. That is a fully funded program. The applications are now open for the fully funded Calendron Scholarship 2022 in the United Kingdom at the University of Oxford. The Calendron Scholarship offers fully funded UK scholarship for international students to pursue their master PhD degree at Oxford University. You will automatically be considered the Calendron Scholarship if you apply before the application deadline. There is no separate application required. Calendron offers 150 new fully funded scholarships each to study in the UK and assist outstanding graduate scholars. Participants from all around the world with any nationality are eligible for the Calendron Scholarship Oxford, a chance to enroll at the growing number of world-renowned universities of the United Kingdom like Oxford. The duration of the master's degree will be for 1 or 2 years, and for the doctoral 3 to 4 years. So let's have a look on some details about Calendron Scholarship 2022. The host country is UK, United Kingdom, and the university is Oxford University, and the courses level are master and PhD degrees, and the number of scholarships they award 150 scholarships, and the eligible countries are all nationality, and the deadline is 22nd January 2022, and the available fields and major you can check it, and the courses by department are humanity division, mathematical, physical and life sciences division, and the medical sciences division, and social sciences division, and department for continuing education. Financial coverage for Calendron scholarship. You will be automatically considered for Calendron if you apply by the relevant January deadline for your course. You do not need to submit a separate application form. Calendron offers fully funded scholarship covering annual courses fee as well as a grant for living expenses for the period of fee liability. And a scholar will receive an annual grant for living expenses which is normally sufficient to cover the living cost of a single student living in Oxford. There is no restriction on nationality or ordinary residence or field of study. All full-time and part-time DPhil and master's courses are also available, and eligibility criteria and selection criteria slightly depending upon the subject area you choose. And check the entry requirement of the courses. You can check from here. There is no restriction by nationality or country of ordinary residence. Candidates from all over the world are eligible to apply for this prestigious Calendron scholarship in UK at the University of Oxford, and the deadline is 22nd January 2022. So let's have a look on the official website. So guys, this is the official website. You can check it from here. Go to the admission and go to graduate admission and go to the applying. Application guide. So starting your application, how to apply, go to how to apply. So log into your account, go to this website. So here, if you are an existing student, you have to simply put your email address and your password. If you are a new user, then go to create an account. So here, if you are a new user, you can put your given name, your middle name, and your family name, your date of birth, your username, your confirm username, your password, and your confirm password. Then I have read and accept that data protection statement and proceeded. After that, they will send you an email address. You have to simply activate and then log in from here. So I'm going to log in. So guys, this is my application form. I'm going to apply for DPhil in advanced biosciences of viral products. So I'm going to edit my application form. So guys, this is the application form. First of all, you have to select the application type, then your course, then your contact detail about you, your referee, your qualification, your language, your funding, and your supporting documents and declaration. So, and one important thing you must have to clear that your application is standard unless it falls into one of the types below. If you are applying through as a standard candidate, then you have to pay at least £75 for one application. This is for standard graduate application where the application fee is pre-paid or where a further payment is not required. For example, permitted additional CDT application. This application type requires an access code which will have been given to eligible application. And a readmission currently enrolled in the final year of one of the subset of Oxford graduate courses and applying to enroll next academic year on the eligible research course. For further information, you can check it. And Swedish scholars enrolled. And the Swedish scholars currently enrolled at Oxford applying for further thought or program with confirmed Swedish funding. I'm going to apply to a standard applicant, then save and close it. So guys, after that, contact details. So guys, this is the contact details form. You have to simply put all your information, your contact details here thoroughly and carefully. After that, you can check your reference section. So guys, this is the reference section. You have to put your referee 1, referee 2 and referee 3 and referee 4 here. You have to put at least 3 referee. I just have to show you that how you can access this online application form. So guys, this is all the information. You have to simply put it. And guys, one more thing I want to tell you that the calendar scholarship is only for the master and for PhD degree program. This is not for the bachelor degree program. If you are applying as a student applicant, then you have to pay £75 per application. Guys, this is the qualification form and you have to put your qualification here. And after that, language section. So guys, this is the language section. You have to put it carefully. Then go to funding. This is the funding section. This is the supporting documents section. You have to upload your transcript here, your CV here and your statement of purpose here. The last one is declaration. So guys, this is the last section, and one more important thing is that you have to pay the application fee is £75 per course, and payment can be made by any Visa or Visa debit or MasterCard or MasterCard. So guys, this is the whole of process. I hope so you understand and how you can apply for the University of Oxford for the Clarendon Scholarship Program, that is for Master and PhD degree program. So apply as soon as possible if you are desire to study in the University of Oxford. Thank you so much guys. Please like, share and subscribe my channel, and you also share with your friends so that they also benefit from all these prestigious opportunities programs. Thank you so much guys. Take care, all of you.